Hello dear students, Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Workbook, Semester 1, Chapter 5, Natural Disasters। हम आज वर्कबुक का करेंगे। सारी एक्सरसाइज जो भी है वो वर्कबुक के सब खत्म कर देंगे, टेक्स्ट बुक की भी खत्म कर देंगे। उसके बाद आफ्टर मैं वीडियो में आपको ये चैप्टर पूरा वापस एक्सप्लेन करूँगी। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम द गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन and write its relevant number letter in the provided against the question. What is the place nearest to the focus of the earthquake on the surface of the earth called? B. Due to how many reasons are volcanic eruptions caused? D. How many types of volcanic mountains are there? A. What is the approximate length in the kilometers of a tsunami wave? C. When did the tsunami disaster occur in the Japan? D. Which pollution should be reduced for reducing the possibility of drought? B. Fill in the blanks with the proper words in the following statement. An earthquake is caused due to internal disturbance in the earth. The maximum effect of the earthquake is near the epicenter on the surface. The effect of earthquake depends on its intensity. Lava soil is fertile because it contains potassium. The origin of the earthquake is known as the focus. Often cyclone strikes in the coastal regions of India. Forest resources get depleted due to forest. Due to landslide, railways get obstructed frequently. An earthquake is recorded with a seismograph. Tsunamis and cyclones cause distributions near coastal regions. जो बाकी रहेगा वो चैप्टर एक्सपेक्ट करोगे तब लिखवा दूंगी। Put a tick mark in the box against the following statements if they are true and a cross mark if they are false. The focus of the earthquake is on the surface on the earth. False. The effect of an earthquake depends on its speed. True. Heavy gases below the lava pools is downwards. False. Diamonds are found at few volcanic regions. True. More trees should be grown to prevent drought. True. Heavy damage is caused to forest due to cyclone. True. False, true, false. Okay, true. Match the pairs correctly. Write the correct numbers of the section B in the answer section. 3, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4. First question, what is an earthquake? जहाँ तक बॉक्स किया वहाँ तक लिखना है। मैंने कॉमा किया वहां तक ही लिखना, बाकी का मत लिखने लगना। Okay, what is an epicenter? What is an epicenter? The nearest place from the focus on the surface of the earth perpendicular of the focus is called epicenter. Which instrument records earthquakes? Earthquakes are recorded with the seismograph. सेकंड थर्ड हो गया. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ आर देयर? लास्ट में कॉमा किया मैंने. उसके बाद 5 नंबर. व्हाट इज अ वॉल्केनिक माउंटेन? When a volcanic eruption takes place, as big rocks and lava etc. are deposited around the volcanic craters and a cone-shaped small or big hill is formed. Frequent eruptions raise the height of the hill and it turns into a volcanic mountain. 6 उसके नीचे ही है. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. सिक्स का मैं दिखाती हूँ. जो बचेगा वो मैं चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करके तब लिखवा दूंगी. उसकी चिंता मत करना. 6 नंबर का है, व्हाट आर द रीजन फॉर द वॉल्केनिक इरप्ट्स? There are 4 reasons for volcanic eruptions. Okay, देख लो. Very high temperature in the interior of the earth, formations of liquid magma, formation of the gases and water vapor, and movement of magma towards the surface of the earth. Okay. 7, 8, 9 हो गए. अभी फर्स्ट है, what is a flood? Which areas are more affected due to flood? Due to heavy and continuous rainfall in the upper courses of a river, of due to bursting of a dam causes water to flow at great speed. This is called a flood. Low-lying areas along the river bed are most affected by flood. What is the tsunami वाला भी दिखाती हो. What is the tsunami? Tsunami is a Japanese word. Tsu means a port and nami means waves. Due to volcanic eruptions or an earthquake on the sea, ocean's floor huge, very strong and abnormally high and unimaginably long waves are created. These are called tsunami. Okay. What is a drought? When is a storm created? What is a forest fire? देखो. ओके, answer the following questions. What benefit would you get if you live in a volcanic regions? 5 points लिखने हमें. सेकंड नंबर का है. ओके, थर्ड नंबर का है. इसमें पूरा लिखना है. ये हमारा डिवाइडेड क्वेश्चन में आ ही चुका है, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में दोनों. And last, ओके, तो हमारी वर्कबुक का ऑलमोस्ट सब कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एक दो ब्लैंक जो बाकी है चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज करते करते वो भी कर देंगे. अभी का जो ये सब लिखा है वो आपको वर्कबुक में लिखना है. नेक्स्ट में चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन होगा और टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज सब कर देंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, सो अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग टेक्स्ट बुक का करेंगे.